Man, that sounded like a horrible sentence. I don't believe it's a Mario Ditto. So.
Okay. Yeah, it's not a Mario Ditto.
Mario match is still appropriate.
I mean, yeah, he's challenging Pluto's Mario. For some reason.
Who you got? Who you got?
What time is it?
Who you got in this?
Super early.
All right, one more time. Who you got?
Me?
Yeah.
What do you mean, what do I got?
Who do you think wins this?
Oh, in terms of like the matchup, or?
No. Who?
I don't know. Hell.
If we were gonna bet on this, would you say Black Jesus or Pluto's gonna win?
I think Black Jesus, because he's picking a character. He's able to play a character that he knows. I
think.
But then again,
Pluto has good fundamentals.
Yeah, in general. Mario just has good fundamentals.
He's gonna get a couple of games.
Yeah.
Even though the turnaround fireball is not looking fresh. And also, Mario's Fair is really good, but you can't just throw it out because it don't work like that. And that's
oh, down tilt.
And him going for the Dogger Punch is really the game. It's not very good.
Okay.
Quick 2-stock lead if you grab Bush.
Wow.
I was totally wrong.
What? What about me?
What?
Got it?
You gotta fight him?
I thought we already fought. Like, is this just random matches?
You gonna fight?
Collar match? I don't know.
We
got a couple bucks if you want to put some down on it.
How old are you? How old are you? Yeah, you guys should definitely fight.
Yeah.
It'll be a good fight.
Battle of the Ages. Get it?
I just joking.
Oh.
Cool.
I was gonna say that. I'm gonna stand up and commentate.
Yeah, it's a weird day. Weird day.
Yeah.
You want to get out?
Nah. I was standing up for a bit to commentate, which I didn't even commentate while I was standing up.
He plays Ice Climbers, right?
Yeah, Knuckles does. In Melee.
Yeah.
But you know, Icy's is kind of broken. It's not as broken.
Pretty bad low level.
Yeah. Moonwalk. Yo.
Still almost did it today, man.
Yep. What place did I come in?
You came in second. Oh, in this?
Yeah.
No earthly idea.
Okay.
Not good. You didn't do well.
Yeah, I didn't do well. I literally only beat BJ.
You probably got 5th or 6th.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Oh well. Okay.
So like, why would you would only want a money match someone's other character? I don't know, like if they were better than you, right?
Yeah, I guess. Just only money match the character that they don't know.
Yeah.
Like for example, Pluto and Mario. I mean.
Also, Ivysaur's no fun to play against.
Yeah.
Maybe for Falcon. I feel like Falcon can do some dirty stuff.
Yep.
I'm not really sure.
So.
I just want to find out who wins, so I can go pick stuff. He pauses a lot.
Yeah. It does that randomly.
After he does things that are not right.
That is just random. You ready tied for first?
But he's whooping all the time.
Wait, it is? Is it a three-way tie for first? Let me check this.
No, it's not. I don't believe it's a 3-way tie for first because I dropped a game to Black Jesus.
Oh, okay. Knuckles is fourth.
Unless the bracket got finished.
Apparently. I don't know. You can check right there.
I'm late.
Okay. I kind of am too. Oh, well.
I just don't want to move that. If it's a 3-way tie first, I don't know how we're gonna go about doing that.
Ooh, okay. That's not
gonna
kill because Falcon is too heavy.
Falcon is super heavy and a super fast faller. Meaning it's very hard to kill him off the top.
I know.
And Pokemon Stadium, I guess that's a little slow. Actually, is PM is ceiling different? You know it?
In what?
Yeah. I dropped a game to Black Jesus, so I did not tie for first.
Aw. Okay.
Which is a super bummer.
Oh my goodness.
Game. Over. Cut it.
The end.
You get a turnaround Falcon.
You're able to Falcon Punch Mario.
Dude, if he caped it, it would have been legendary.
I I know.
And then looks like F-smash him or something. Or taunted.
Yeah. Just taunt cancel on one of the platforms the entire. Just like after that, just like taunt cancel the entire.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Now the one that he hit is uncool.
Yeah.
Because he did that one.
Yeah. It just looks like he was just like got a lucky Falcon punch.
So when we clip this, show the first one.
Yeah. Like I can hack into the thing so it like it cuts out the rest of this fight. So it just looks like Falcon punch and then like the bot
Yeah, no,
ends.
that's it. That's it.
Yeah.
But yeah, that should be the match. If you get 360 Falcon punch, alright, be done. Run off the dare. Run off the dare.
No. Or you could just have the leg, you know? It's a shame that. There you go.
That's why Falcon was fun to play. You can just run forward and go.
Like, just like, yeah, I'm doing it, dude. Pluto's playing as Mario. It's like saying, yeah, I beat a Kirby in Melee. I did it.
Well, Mario's really good in this game.
Yeah, I know. But Kirby's not so good in Melee.
Yeah, but I don't understand that.
Oh. I mean, like, someone who's like...
Oh, I got you. Mario.
I mean, like, Pluto doesn't really play Mario much.
Like, you can see he kind of knows what he's doing.
Yeah.
I don't know why he would pick his Mario. Like, I don't understand how this came about. Probably something dumb.
Yeah.
But they're putting money on him, so.
Yep.
Good jab reset. I think he could have done that for you.
I gotta learn to like start jab resetting with Mario.
It's something you don't think about.
What?
Jab reset.
Oh, yeah.
In general. Or at least I don't.
At least not in this game. I think in Melee it's a lot more of a thing. I know, like, when they're in the air, you jab them to, like, pretty much, like, so they don't have to, so they can't tech. So,
Alright, man.
oh. Calm down.
Chill out.
Maybe it's because, what's it?
Back to
Black Jesus was like, oh, nope. I think Pluto kept beating Black Jesus with Mario earlier.
Oh, just
It was like, yeah, maybe. Or maybe he just like beat him in like one match. And then like just like, hey, I can beat you, I think. I can earn money. Somehow.
Okay.
Yeah, with Marth like ever. Ow.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Edge guard spaces,
When they
yeah.
stop you, go back. And then they die.
Yeah.
I have seen some really like niche stuff with Martha's jab resets, but I think
Yeah.
it's not that good.
If you like know that they don't actually roll anywhere with like, you know, if they miss a tech.
Like if they're trying to get cheesy with you and they're not picking an option, you can throw it there.
Yeah.
You can also probably just run forward. Yeah, Flaffy would definitely know.
Yep.
I would listen to him.
But I'm still gonna keep jabbing anyway, because I haven't gotten punished for like ever so far.
You can keep jabbing.
Yeah.
Stop short up there.
Yeah.
And
Wait,
in general.
why? It's actually really good.
It's good in PM apparently.
Yeah.
Even though
it's
still not that good.
Half of the time I short hop dare in Melee is because I'm trying to short hop forward air, but I like miss, like I accidentally press down. Like I press it diagonally.
Well, it looks like you do it. It looks like you do it on purpose.
Yeah. It just works like that. You know, kind of like when people SD.
Fair enough. I just thought it was a new thing.
Nah. I mean, it kind of is, but not in Melee.
Yeah, it's a lot better in this game because they have to protect it. Spartacus Judgment's
Yep. Oh.
That was good.
Very good.
Falcon jab's dumb.
Why isn't he L canceling? Like, BJ, come on.
I think it's a hard move to L cancel.
For some reason, like,
he has
there.
good tech.
Oh, there. Yeah, he did it! He did it!
He said, I got the cape, you got the game.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. Well, stream, it's been fun. I said a lot of dumb stuff.
Huh?
We'll go now. Try to take a nap.
Yeah.
Take a nap.
He did it.
Dude,
Okay,
I